So guys, I've just finished work and got problems with my car. Obviously the PCV valve helped, but just a tiny little bit. It hasn't completely sorted the problem. So I could smell burning oil. I chucked my code reader in because this is probably one of the best scanning tools you can get for a BMW for the price. C110 I think it is. There's everything with BMWs, Minis, anything BMW related. I turned my airbag light off with this as well. The other day I got a fault code saying camshaft position retarded, and I think that's to do with the Vanos Solenoids. So what I've done is I've went to BMW and picked up some brand new BMW solenoids, just because you can go on eBay and get some for like £20, but they're not going to be reliable. There could be issues with codes and stuff, you know how like BMW electrics are. So I thought it'd be safe, get them. They were pretty pricey. I'll show you the invoice. That is how much it is, just for 2 solenoids. Let me open one of these boxes up and just show you quickly. I'm just going to rip it open because I know I'm going to use it. So it comes in a little bag. And this is literally all it is. So you have to buy 2 of these because you've got one for the intake and one for the exhaust. So that's pretty much all it is. It comes with a new O-ring as well. So yeah, that is what is going on today. This is my last port of call. Let's get it installed in the car. So guys, I've took all the cowling off. This is where the solenoids are. There's one there and there's one underneath. What I'm going to do is put a little towel there just in case I do drop anything, just to make sure I don't completely lose it forever. I'll literally just use my jumper just so nothing falls out. I'm only going to do one at a time because I don't want anything to fall into the hole when there is a hole. So I'm just unscrewing the nut now. So literally just 110mm nut. Just put that safety in my pocket. Right, still, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the, see that metal clip, even on this one, this is the top one. I literally just push down and pull back. Wiggle it out. Oh, it's so hard to do with one hand. The engine's so hot as well, I wouldn't recommend doing it now. Alright, I'm going to take it out and then I'll show you when it's out. There we go. The O-ring's still in there, so be careful about that. Obviously I'm not using the old O-rings. You do get new ones with obviously the new BMW part. Yeah, literally just stuck in there on the side. I just don't know how much you're going to see of this video, guys. It's just a bit of a nightmare. So they're the 2 old ones. Let me just go grab the new one and show you the difference. So guys, these are the 2 old ones. I'll put it on the floor and I'll show you. So 2 old ones with the 2 old O-rings. Right here. So these 2 are old. Obviously I've already installed one of them and this one's new. And it does come with a brand new O-ring right here, look. You do want to make sure it's pushed all the way down before you install it, otherwise it's a nightmare to get past all this way. So yeah, difference between the 2. This one's clean, obviously, because it has not even been put in, no oil been used on it. There's a lot of oil in this one. You can clean these, but it's just going to prevent the problem. It's just going to happen eventually anyway. So for the price of these, it is quite expensive. So if you are on a budget, I would recommend trying to cleaning these up first, just to give you a bit longer. But yeah, this one was the top one, which is the intake one, and this is the exhaust. So just comparing them two together, I'll put my money on that this one is 100% failing. I'm not sure about this, but yeah, I've already installed one already, so let's see how it goes. So let's use a clean bit of the rag. This bit here, as you can see, it's clean. See how much oil we can get out of it. Bear in mind, this is just on the lip, just so it seals nice. Right, that's just one wipe, and it is proper messy. You do not want to do both of these at once. I know it's tempting, but you do not want to drop anything in them hose, because it's straight into your engine and you will blow it up. It is not the greatest thing to do in life. So all of this is just from that one hole, which is pretty mad. And then obviously the other side is for the other one. So we grab him, we slowly try and educate him in here. Right, so that needs to be up there, and then let's just push him in. Make sure the hole lines up as you're pushing him in. You should hear a click when it is in there. I'm not going to be able to. I'm going to have to do it with 2 hands, guys, so sorry about that. Both new, both in there. Literally just got to put the screw back in, put the sensor on, do everything else back up, and done. But obviously I'm going to start it up before that, just to make sure everything's working properly, get no codes, and yeah, jobs are good. There we go. It's clipped in there properly now. All clipped up, all tightened up, all everything. They're in there nice and snug. These are the old ones with the old O-rings. Don't reuse these because you don't want to reuse old seals. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this install. So let me put all this back together, all the cowling and that, start them up, and I'll take them for a little drive. And this is the first start up of the solenoids being installed. Let's go do it. Just going to let it run for a little while, just to get the engine and the ECU used to the new part I've just installed, and take it for a little spin, and I'll come back in a couple of days and I'll tell you if it's fixed or not. Guys, look at this poor car. It's literally been sat here collecting dirt, rain, everything. Look, dirty girl. Yeah, I'll literally, it's been 4 or 5 days now since I installed the Vanos Solenoids. So let's give it a little start up and see if it's made a difference. So I don't even see what happened there. I just seen a bit of smoke come out of the back without even looking. It's not going to run properly until I've got it mapped and everything. But I've been driving it the last couple of days, and I'm pretty sure I did have a boost leak, because it seems to come on boost a bit stronger. So yeah, it does come on a lot stronger, so it's definitely fixed something. To be fair, I could have had a boost leak. That's what the Vanos could have fixed. And if it did, it's absolutely brilliant. But yeah, we literally just need to get this clutch installed and get a map. So it shouldn't be too long, and then we can get the clutch down, go sub, and yeah. So let's turn him off. As you guys can tell, I've got no lights on, no nothing. All the checks are okay. Let's just turn it off. Yeah, the clutch is here. Just need to install it now, which is going to get done very soon. Because I can't. It's such a struggle to tell if it's done anything to this car. The boost does come a lot quicker and stronger. And my clutch is slipping a lot more, so it might affect something. But because I've obviously got clutch slip, it's a bit fucking hard to tell. So yeah, I can't wait any longer for this video to go live, so this is it. It's definitely done something, but if you guys do have a lot of smoke problems, definitely PCV valve and Vanos Solenoids are the way to go first, because they're the cheapest option. Right now it's telling me my battery's low. I haven't drove it in a day, so yeah, the fucking battery's low, mate. The fucking battery's low. Just before I end the video off, I'll show you what's arrived. So guys, look at this. Right, transmission fluid, D.I.Y. ATF. This is limited slip diff, which is diff oil. I wish I had an LSD. But yeah, this is the extreme clutch. So if you guys want to see this, you know what to do. Stick around, push that sub button, and like this video, because that is getting installed very soon, and it's going to be a beast. So big things to come. This car is going to be an absolute monster. And yeah, have fun. Hope you had a good day, and see you on the next one.